Welcome to
Hello.
his house, or also his Lola's house.
My friend Magnus are helping me here.
Yes. This house here was kind of broken during all
Typhoon?
that. Yes. And so, well, there's still some roof that is missing, but like the bedroom over here, the bedroom here now got new roofing. So that's at least that's good for him now. And also this is Lola.
My God.
Lola?
Nah, hi ma, mama.
Hello.
Siya
She
ba-
think I am guapo.
Ha?
26.
Bata.
Banta anim.
Bata ka. 26.
26.
Ano? Kailan ito? Pulis na?
Let's go.
Buta pa yung kain tayo doon.
Yeah.
Buta po sa
We're going to your friend.
friend.
It was a birthday today. We didn't bring gift for him though.
Ay, it's okay.
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 Yes. Is this the secret waterfall? No.
Yes, my neighbors, my friends.
Mayroon to.
They are all good people.
Of course. Everyone is good. Hello. Who's that? Yung baboy. Oh, the lechon?
Kasi alam lang, punta kayo dito eh.
There. Look, Kuya, the pig is screaming. Ah!
Yan ang my birthday.
I see it only pig. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Maayon.
Ano bang ano? Happy birthday sa Bisaya.
Maayon araw.
Maayon.
Thank you very much. You're very fun, Kuya Buti. Very, he's a joker. Wait, I need to wash my hands. Sorry. High five, appear there. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Nothing. Bless? Bless, okay.
Uy, ano ka ito lang? Tourists, they call it a hidden waterfall because
Oh, this is the hidden one?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
We go to the Magan waterfalls and then the hidden. Okay,
Okay, so there's two waterfalls here?
two waterfalls.
Okay. Shh, the hidden waterfall. No, you're not allowed to see. It's very secret. Oi. Typhoon make these palms fall over? Okay. But they were probably old, so yeah, you see. It's like they look hollow. So maybe they were already very old.
Because they have a very tall coconut here.
Tall coconut trees?
Not like in my village that small.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
So according to Kuya RJay, this is around a 20-minute walk to this place. So for those not really into trekking, definitely don't go here.
Now this is easy, but
This is
later we go cross to the river.
Yeah, but that's no problem. Yeah, but I will just carry you. We'll see about that.
I saw a glimpse of coloring. It knocked me off my feet. I thought I saw a spark in your eyes. Desperately and far away, conquered all my needs.
Look at the water, it's so clear. I almost want to drink.
Faces come out of the rain.
Oh! Cow? So This is a cacao tree. Where's the cacao? Oh, there. I see. There, yes.
Yeah, the stem.
Up there. This is the first time I've seen a cacao tree.
Make it overfly. It's the second round.
It's very far down here. You don't want to fall. Naturally.
I'll let you leave, but please come back. 'Cause I'll miss you the most of all. Behold.
This is awesome. Oh yeah, it's also damaged, but the water is so nice. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult to get through here. It's different now than before, right?
Because before there's a cottage here now, the gun. See,
Cottage?
that is the debris of the typhoon.
Yeah, I mean it's been you know, washed away. Yeah, here we see the post to support it. So it's different, but we just need to redevelop it. Ayun, bangka. Oh. Lamig. Lamig. It's all good. This is Damagan Falls. It's kind of the first fall we will meet before the hidden waterfall. It's very beautiful. So according to Kuya, one of these rocks have actually been moved by the typhoon from the flood here. So now you can see just how powerful Mother Nature can be. Now it's time for us to go to Hidden Waterfall. It is actually quite a long walk from here. I think it's around 1 hour, but we'll see. Maybe you're faster. Forgot to introduce you to Carlo. Kuya RJ's friend, who's also here with us. He's handsome. You single? Single?
No, no.
Oh, okay. He's taking sorry girls. Swim? Swim? Oh, really? You walk there?
What? Swim?
Oh! Oh, so that's why it's called hidden.
Oh, no. Swim. What is this? It's this waterfall, this place. It's better to swim.
It's better to swim, so we just leave our things?
No, we bring the stick. We will put that in your bag and then
Okay.
he will push us. We will pass that trek.
So it's better to swim?
Swim.
Okay.
It's better for you.
Okay. So we will swim all the way over there. Just leave our electronics.
Yung gamit mo? Yung nababasa.
Kind of smells like honey here, right, man? It kind of smells like honey. It's a little bit sweet. Yeah.
I need to
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, then you just hold on to me.
Just cover my face with gorilla.
Yeah, the gorilla. Yeah, now my t-shirt is soaked. Okay, we made it to the first stop.
Lalangoy na? Or we need to swim there?
Yeah, I feel like the best idea is to just leave our things here, also my t-shirt. So there's less risk to think about. Alright, also this, you can leave it there. There's paper and such in there, so it's bad if it gets wet. Okay, then we just swim. Yeah, you need to hang on to me. 20? 20? Okay. It's a long way. Okay. But you're drowning me.
Oh, then I'm not drowning you.
Oh wait, it's the bamboo. Maybe we can get some bamboo and then you cling onto it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will look.
This is a unique way to get to a waterfall. There's bamboo. I will see if I can get something to make it float on. She can't swim, you know. So. You almost drowned, not really. Yeah, you drowned me. Okay. I think this should be enough. Yeah. It might help a little bit, so you can stay afloat more easier. Here. No. Just try to kick. We overcame that obstacle now. Well, it's a little bit left. Apparently we are very fast, it's just 5 minutes left. And we've been only going to maybe 15 minutes. So I'll probably tell some about the other tourists how slow they are to get over there. Wow. Here too you can see there's definitely been a big flood here. So for this to recover to how it looks like in the past might take a while. So, oh, there it is.
Can jump from there.
There. Are you crazy? Okay. Careful! I'm going to die. Wait. Oh. Risky. great going here.
Your camera.
Yeah.
Wait. Yo, Jam, kaya? Kaya?
Ikaw? Ikaw muna.
Ako muna.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I didn't get to show the climbing, but just imagine we had to ascend this ledge over there. That's very risky. This is definitely the last time I'm going up here. Woo. Okay. Ikaw muna.
Jam?
Yes. It's not funny. Okay. 3, 2, 1. It's good. Scary but good. Last side. Oh, that's seriously one of the most terrifying things I've done so far. I mean, it's climbing up there and oh. Sorry for the language, I was terrified. That's just so scary. So yeah, this is the hidden waterfall. So to get to know about this, you need to contact Kuya RJay.
No.
He's the only one who will let you know where to go, how to go here. All right?
Yeah.
So contact him. His Instagram is right there.
I'm scared.
See, you're floating.
Patay ka talaga. Nagagat ka.
Kuya RJay said that he saw a snake here swimming right in front of us. Or could it be? Okay, I don't know, but right up there was a huge lizard or monitor, and they said there was crocodiles. I thought that's what it really was, but they probably just mistook the name. They actually meant lizard or monitor, not crocodile. So I just can hear something walking up there in the bushes, and then I see them throwing things after something. So yeah, you don't want to get too close to those things. They can be hazardous.
Koreana daw. Bilang Koreana ka daw. Ano bilang Koreana ka daw.
Artista. Oh,
Akala nga na.
really, this coconut is so good. This guy get the coconut for us. Libra. Hello. Oh no, it's raining. Whoops. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye-bye ha. Salamat ha.
Babalik kami. Balik.
Bye-bye ha.
Kami. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye ha.
There I like it best in this catacomb where it feels like home. You showed how you were mine. We left and took our time.
Oh yeah, what is this resort called?
Huh?
What is this resort called?
Kaila.
Kayla?
Surgeon is the owner.
Body job. No pills?
I don't do Pilsons, I don't do Lagers.
Okay.
I have done a porter, but yeah.
Are you okay on being a video by the way?
Yeah, of
Oh,
course.
sure.
Yeah.
You're very friendly then.
This is, I've got a summer ale, my coconut, my blonde ale, wild mountain honey ale, IPA, which is an India pale ale.
Yeah, I've been out there.
Pale ale, my red, Irish red ale, and then my stout.
What is your favorite one? Personal favorite?
IPA.
IPA, okay.
Because it's got a lot of hops. I like the hoppiness of it.
Good.
Thank you. Medium rare.
Thank you. Ooh. Kuya, thank you very much for bringing us out today.
Thank you also for the help of the people in the village there. To give you a donation.
Oh, I didn't show on camera. All right. I'm just trying to be humble. I don't like to show that. I mean, I feel like then it makes you seem like
thank you for your kindness to both of you, couple. And then may God bless you. All the best. Hope we meet each other again.
We will meet each other again.
Come
of
on
course.
back here.
So this is the point where we part for a long time, okay, Kuya? Always take care, okay? Amping kanunay.
And thank you very much for helping our people here.
Yes, no worries.
Thank you for your kindness.
And if you wanna go to some of the most amazing waterfalls in Bohol, just contact him. He knows everything. And he's also good, in Dimiao. And he's also very good sense of humor.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay.
See you again, my brother.
Drive safely.
Yes, we will. Bye bye.
On 14 Washburn Street.
I have way too many friends here now. Well, guess what? We're back at Bird of Paradise with our friends. Okay, so one thing I want to just mention here. We did not fill the tank full ever since before we went to Tagbilaran on our way to Inabanga. So that's basically, I have no idea how long that is. Oh, that's been at least 200 kilometers and there's still quite a lot of fuel left. So yeah, this one is pretty fuel efficient. Hello! I was just going to start to record now. So this is the barbecue that I don't know if we will eat. At least I'm not so hungry, but they will have at least the barbecue. We bought it for them.
Homemade.
You made? Who made this?
Enzo.
Enzo.
Yeah,
Wow.
very good in.
Okay, I want to try this at least. Enzo, we should open a restaurant. This is really good. I feel like it has just right amount of everything in there. Mga unta. Wait na. Yeah, we're just really finishing the day at Bird of Paradise. I don't know why, but there's something about this pool and the ambience here that just is so relaxing. So it's really where I prefer to sometimes end the day after a long and tiring drive. Yeah, as you can see, I really cannot resist this pool. But in general, we're just spending now the last day here in Bird of Paradise. Yes, it's the 3rd of February now, so it's the day we will go home. We did not get to do anything on the February 2nd yesterday because Kuya RJay was going to spend some time with his family. So, well, we didn't really get to do as we expected, but nonetheless I'm happy to have joined some relief operation and also even be able to explore Bohol a little bit. And I'm also happy to see that for the most part Bohol is pretty fine, at least right now, though there's still a lot more improvements that is needed. So thanks a lot to Kuya RJay and Project Bangon Bohol, of course, again. And also thanks a lot to Kuya RJay for help guiding us, and his friends, of course. This has been an unforgettable experience. It kind of went beyond what we planned. but as I can see, or say for sure, is that Bohol is a really big island. Well, not super big, but it's quite big, and we've just explored like a fraction of it, so there's always more reasons for us to return here. This channel is not really much of a food review channel, but honestly, this place here, it's just right outside by the road. Toto e Pepino, honestly, they have the best Italian pizza I had in Philippines. Mangonta.
Sure?
Yeah, mangonta. For everyone.
Yeah, I'll call them, sir.
Call everyone, okay? Here's the food for everyone. Oh, that's definitely not the one I'm going to have. Birthday? My birthday is, oh yeah, it's soon.
Yeah. Wow.
Thank you for my early birthday.
First from the
Right from the tree?
farm.
Yeah. Turon?
This one is kamote
Kamote.
inside, and then this one is kasaba.
Oh, I love cassava. Thank you very much.
This one very tastes good, very sweet.
And then you also enjoy this.
Eat all. Air Asia.
Very delicious.
Cebu Pacific.
Cebu Pacific. It's so noisy like an airplane, that's why I call it Cebu Pacific. Meanwhile, we are actually filling out the required documents for our next destination, which will be revealed shortly in the next video. I'm not really a cake guy, but cassava cake is so good. Okay. I met a friend called Kuya Alex.
Alex.
Yes. He's a very nice guy, and he also has a godchild who lives in Norway.
Yes.
So he knows a bit about Norway. You really want to go to Norway, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Soon.
You will come, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Take care. Nice meeting you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm Pikanunay. Bye-bye. Oops. It's okay. Oh, they got all my things?
For visiting us.
Okay.
Sir,
Thank
you
you very
so much,
much.
sir. Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
very much. Thank you very much.
Make sure that you go back. Make sure that you go back here soon.
Yes, sure.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Hope to see you again.
All the pictures.
Yes, sure.
Ano na kasi maglilibre sa akin?
Bye-bye.
Babalik kami ulit.
You will see yourself on video soon.
Advance Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy birthday? Birthday?
Birthday, yes.
On the 15th.
15th?
After Valentine's.
After Valentine's.
Mami, thank you, Mami.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Oy, have a safe trip.
Amping Karunay.
Happy ka
Bye. See you soon.